Hello, everybody. My name is Chelsea Jones, and I'm going to provide you a tutorial today for how to crush your time management goals using your iSchool agenda. And this is coordinating with my blog post. So I'm going to go ahead and share my blog link in the chat right now. All right, so I'm going to need you to navigate to your dashboard while share my screen. Hopefully, I don't scare my screen away. All right. Looks like we're in good shape. All right. Once you get to your dashboard, the first step is going to be locating the calendar on the blue left side menu. Hover over and select calendar. Once your calendar loads, you will notice on the top here by the mini calendar on the right side, you will see viewing options for week, month, or agenda. This is going to require you to select agenda. Okay, while that loads, all right, great, it's loaded. All right, so what you're going to see here, although it might not be color coded yet, or it may be, um, is a chronological list of all your due dates coming due this semester from start to finish. All right, so I want to clean this up a little bit and make it more relevant and more concise. So in order to do that, we're going to need to find the menu on this right hand column that says calendars. And this is going to include some unnecessary calendars for now. So what we're going to do is deselect. Deselect anything that is not an active course that you are enrolled in. I'm going to select that for now. Okie dokie. So now all I see on my agenda are my course tasks. Another quick tip, since most of us are going to be starting our first semester right now, and we have Info 203 online learning required. You're going to finish this early. I've already finished mine, but the course ends early on September 17th, I believe. So once you're done with that, you could go ahead and deselect that as well. And you could see all the crossed off tasks will disappear from the agenda by doing that, saving me a lot of space and making this even more relevant and easy to understand what's coming due when. All right, the next two options are, well, they're optional. The first option is going for anybody who's a visual learner and or who likes the aesthetic look of color coordinating their courses. So I like to do this. I already have some pins, and in order to match the colors to your courses, you're going to go ahead and select a course. For me, I did Info 200, Info Communities, and you're going to select the vertical ellipses next to the course and select your color and apply it. So fun fact, if you navigate now back to your dashboard, it should be the color that you selected for your course in the agenda. All right. Navigating back to that, the other option I have for you is for folks who want to synchronize this agenda with another email. So in order to do that, I'm going to draw your attention down to the bottom right corner where it says calendar feed. Click that. And here it's going to provide you a link that you can copy and paste into any calendar app that uses iCal feeds, including Google Calendar, so Gmail and Outlook. I think that's pretty helpful. I'm going to use it to set a notification to my personal email. That way I never miss a due date this semester. And hopefully you won't either. All right, last step is going to be to right click your mouse somewhere in the agenda and print it out. And this is going to be a very handy go-to offline agenda that you can use to either plot the dates as a guideline into your physical planner if you want, or you can even use this printout as a physical planner if you don't want to spend the money for one this semester. All right, so I think that's it for now. Thanks for sticking with me throughout this tutorial. If you found value in it and you're going to try it out, or if you have some other tips and tricks that you think that I might like or other students might enjoy, please navigate over to my blog, Garden.Lib, and leave a comment in the iSchool agenda post that I'll be making today. And I really appreciate your time. All right, best of luck this semester. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.